Now that we have just few days to your exam, your JAMB exam, I need you to pay attention because at this moment, just reading is not enough. Just reading your book is not enough. Just solving those past questions I normally give you is not enough. Even just watching the videos, the expo videos, tutorial videos we normally give is no longer enough. That is why I'm making this video for you. I just need you to pay rapt attention because there are 3 areas I need every one of us following this channel, Noble Tutorials, to pay attention to. Remember, I said that just showing up on our channel, watching the videos is not enough. I also said right now that just attempting the past questions is not enough. There are 3 areas I need you to focus on. At this moment, at this point, we just have few days to your JAMB exam, right? Just a matter of days, you will find yourself in the JAMB hall. So I need you to ask yourself to know that just going to a class, maybe you are going for a lesson center, or you are showing up on our YouTube channel, or you are even a full member of our YouTube channel, is no longer enough. Ask yourself, number 1, did I actually learn something new today? Any day, as the clock is ticking to the commencement, the starting of your JAMB exam, I've given you the timetable for the exam. If you don't know, let me know so I can give it to you. Always ask yourself after reading or before you sleep, did I learn something new today? It's not reading those areas that you're already comfortable with, or you focus on that subject that you know very well. What of the other subject that you are struggling with? What of that aspect that you know if you are giving the JAMB exam today, you will fumble and fail? So we are not giving any room to failure in this exam. That is why I need you to always ask yourself, am I actually learning something? Not just that you are watching the videos I'm giving you. Of course, you know in our channel, I've been giving you free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllabus. If you have not gotten it, you can ask me in the comment section. For those that are already full members of our channel, if you're already a full registered member of our channel, you can ask me and I will give you free JAMB syllabus and the free JAMB past question. But beyond that, ask yourself, did I learn something? Then 2, am I taking the topics I struggle with? This is the area I actually want to highlight most. In this time, I want you not to just be doing random reading. There are people that do random reading. They just read for reading's sake. Right now, I want you to focus on those topics that is your Achilles heel. By Achilles heel, I mean that topic that is your problem. That topic that you have been reading and you are not understanding. That topic, it could be an area of calculation. It could be in biology. It could be in chemistry, physics, biology. It could be in economics, government, or use of English, or even the JAMB novel. If you are having issue with any particular topic that you already know will come out, don't dodge it. Focus on it. If you have such questions, you have questions on it, feel free. Once you become a full member of our channel, feel free to ask me that particular area where your problem is. Stop dodging the topic you are struggling with. Stop dodging it. Some of you will keep reading only the subject that is very easy for you, but no, you have 4 subjects to write in your JAMB. So focus on that. Then the last one, test yourself with past questions. I've always told you, test yourself with past question, create a study plan, but review your ability. It's not like I've always said, for those of you that are members of our channel, it's not when you enter the JAMB hall that you begin to do these things. Begin now to read with past question. That's why I'm giving you past question. You need past question, let me know. You need syllabus, let me know. You need me to give you all the videos, expo questions, all the videos we've done on use of English, let me know. On economics, chemistry, physics, biology, government, literature, all of them. I can give you all of them free of charge, the link to all the videos we've done, but then I need you to play your own part, become more serious, and if you have any question, I'm waiting for you under the comment section. Remember the 3 things I highlighted. I said, always ask yourself, did I actually learn something new? 2, am I taking the topics I struggle with? Start tackling that topic. We don't have time. As at the time I'm making this video, we have just 16 or 15 days to the exam. Then have Have I tested myself with past questions? I'm giving you past questions, so keep testing yourself. Like I always say, and I want you to claim it, this is your year. Nothing will stop you from getting admission this year. Nothing will stop you from scoring 300 and above. Claim it in the comment section as I will be waiting for you. Then become a full member of our channel. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe now. Any issue, any question you have, come under the comment and ask me right now. There is a very important video I'm giving you free of charge on the screen. Click on it and watch immediately.